Beauty, as they say, is in the eyes of the beholder. Time is the currency in the hands of the wise. Foresight propels the ants to build their empire while the sun shines. The shining of the sun is the time given to them, given to build the beautiful empire we now see. And now, the best is yet to come for your hands to grasp. The empire that lies by the serenity of the waters, the undiluted and peaceful tranquility located in the most admired region in the land of Lagos. Narrowed down, found in the ancient town of Ekpe, a jewel in the savannah with a dual lake and a lagoon. Introducing Ekpe Gardens Waterfront, a true touch of nature.